Whoa.
Okay, I got you, son.
I got it. I got it.
Jonathan has the albino catfish.
I got this. I got it.
Oh man, good catch, son.
Oh God, it's heavy.
Oh my God,
It's
he's huge. Look how big he is.
Look at this.
Jonathan, man.
Look at this. Its eyes are like red or something.
It's really albino, man. All right. You're gonna have to look here, son. Look here.
Woo!
All
This is awesome.
right. You gotta set him free.
Whoa, it's huge.
You gotta set him free.
It really is a big
Oh my
fish.
God, he's so beautiful.
And it's big too.
It's beautiful. Hey, you.
Really big.
Hey, you, albino.
Try not to bite me, albino.
Bring him up here more. Bring him up more.
Alright.
Pull him up. I'm gonna get you the plier.
What?
The plier.
It's really heavy.
Hurry up. We don't want to mistreat him.
What, like a 10-pounder maybe? No. More like a 6, maybe 7. It's really heavy though.
Like it. Put him in the water again. I gotta get the plier.
Alright.